Hey guys, so I was watching a lot of videos to change the side markers on my Honda. I have a 2019 Civic hatchback, just a regular base model, but they come with these ugly side marker orange light things. So I bought these black ones on Amazon. They do have the white light and then the amber for when you signal. It comes with the sequential lights, so it'll work with your turn signals. So I kept watching videos, but they don't actually show you what the hell to do. Alright, so I just put the car on accessory mode, and this is what it looks like when it's turning. And let me put it on with just the white. This is what it looks like with just the white. Cool. So, looks way better than these orange, which doesn't even blink when the signal's on. I didn't even know that. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how to connect it for it to signal and turn on, because all the videos I saw kind of showed, but like everyone's hiding their hands or something. So I have to kind of figure it out. And yesterday I only did one because I dropped this little metal thing inside of the engine bay and it got lost, so I ordered more. All you need is a Phillips and a flathead, and then if you're using splitters, wire splitters, whatever the hell they're called, I don't even know. I only used it once and that was yesterday. And your new light. So this is like their light bulb connection, and this other wire is going to be for the turning signal. So I'm just going to grab both of these real quick. But the first thing that you want to do is turn your tire to the right if you're doing the right light. So you have more room to take these off. There's 2 screws. I'm just going to let it fall because I'm holding my phone to record. Oh. So take that one off. If anybody wants the lights that I got from Amazon, I can put the description. It was only like 25 bucks. I know there's better brands, but this was my first time, so figured I'd try it before wasting like 200 bucks on lights. There's this plastic in here. You see it has like a tab. So what you're going to do is put your flathead in there and push it and pop it out. Try not to break it either, because it sounds weird. There we go. So push the tab. Hold on, I gotta put you down real quick. Okay, so I think I got it here. So just push the tab. Pop it out. I kind of scratched it right here, so make sure you're getting it right. So from here, you just see the connection on here. And this thing already looked like this on the other one, so I don't know what the hell they're doing in China or something. Anyways, so I'm just gonna twist this. Maybe I can do it with one hand. I'm just gonna twist this. Hold on. Put you in my pocket. Just gonna twist this. And it pops out. See that? So I just twisted this and this pops out. This is the old one. I'm just gonna put it on the floor. And here, it has this light bulb. So I'm literally just gonna pull it out. Okay, so I just pulled it out. Cool, so there's that. I'm gonna grab the new light, this one. And then on here, it shows right, has a little R. The other one obviously has a left for the left side. I'm on the right side of the car, so it's the right one. This little black thing is what you're gonna put in there for where the light bulb was. I think it's the same on both sides. I tried to just stick it in here and it worked, so just push it in there. I'm gonna push it in there real quick. It just pops in. So I popped that in there. So now this light should turn on for the white only, not for the turning. So let's test it real quick. If it doesn't, I gotta push it in more or flip it to the other side. I'm gonna turn my lights on. And all I'm doing is putting it on the that bright one. The bottom one, not on the auto. My videos keep closing, I don't know why. But, you see? We got power, y'all. Awesome. So, let me turn the lights off before I die. I just popped the hood, so I'm going to open up the hood 1 second. Okay. So we got this connection good. Now, we got to put this through this hole. I'm just unraveling it from the plastic wires thing here. Awesome. One through here. Let's see where it goes through. I'm going to put it through the big hole. And it looks like it's right there. And the connection, it's going to be that one for the turning signal. And I actually just kind of followed the bulb. I'm not a mechanic, so I didn't even know which one, but it looks like it's this top one. Let me show you, hold on. This one looks more squished than the driver's side, but it's this one right here. Yeah, this one down there. Can't even see my hand in there, huh? Alright, so pop it out so I can show you. It's this little one here. So it was right there. So not that bottom black one, it's going to be, I think it's gray on all the cars. And then for this one, the wire is going to be brown and black. And then for the driver's side, the wire is gray and black. Cool. So this is disconnected, black and brown. Let me grab the wire from in here. Just gonna feed it. I'm gonna grab it from this big hole on top, right there. Just because my hand fits in here better. Cool. So I fed it through the big hole, and then I grabbed it from this side hole right here. I'm just gonna pull it up. So here's this. So I have the wire in. I'm just gonna put this stuff back in the hole and screw this on so it doesn't hang as much. Let's see if you guys can see that. Here. So sticking this stuff in here. Alright. So this mother trucker. This one. So I screwed on, but this has to be facing right. So it fits good in this hole right there. See that? So once you align it all up, make sure you do the corner first so it fits good, and then just push it. And it just clips on. See that? Alright. Jesus, okay. Where's the light at? So here's the turning signal. Here's the wire. I'm gonna grab, I don't have like wire cutters. So, I mean, I have this, and it's like cuts it, but I just want to cut some of the silver part of the wire, not like the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to cut this whole excess, because I don't need all that. I'm just going to cut it here. So there's the wire. Here's the piece I'm keeping. And then I'm just going to, like, see if I can put you down. This, I'm just going to cut this and pull it. So I get the wire out. Cool. After the wire's out. So I got the wire. Just pull the red stuff off of it. On here, you see how it's blue and black? Black is the bad one. So the brown one is on the right side, it looks like. Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this wire inside of that little hole to test if the signal is going to work first. It looks bad, but whatever. I'm just going to test to see if the signal is going to work real quick. And if it does, I'm going to connect the brown one to the red one. Let's see here. It looks like it's working. So this is what it looks like when it's going to turn. Okay, so We connected the wire in there just to test the signals to see if it's working, and it looks like it's working. And it's only blinking fast because I haven't plugged it into the actual turn-in signal plug. This thing is still not connected, so that's the only reason why it's blinking so fast. So let me turn the lights off again, and then we're gonna splice the wire, so then we can just close it, wrap it up, and that's it. So this thing right here. So I've never seen one of these in my life until yesterday, but it's pretty cool. So we're gonna put both wires on here together on that silver thing. Actually, we'll put them on this little loop, and then when we close this to connect them together, it'll cut them both and I guess make the connection. So let me see if I can put the phone somewhere here. You guys can see right there. Yep. So I'm just pulling this back out of the hole. I'm gonna try to do this so you guys can see. And on here, so it was the black and the brown one, and we're doing it on the brown one. I saw a lot of videos cutting this plastic stuff, but I just kind of pulled the wire out. I didn't have scissors or anything, so I just pulled it out. I'm gonna put this right here, just laying the brown one on that little hole that was right there. See that? I'm just gonna lay this one on there, and then I'm gonna lay this red one next to it. See that? So, let's lay these bitches together. God damn it. You see? That's what happened to me yesterday, so I couldn't do it. Thank God I bought a million of them. So let me grab another one. Alright, let me put you back here. So again, I'm just going to lay the brown wire on this little bed here. Lay it on its bed. Lay the red one on the bed. And then after that, I want you guys to see. So they're both laying together. I'm going to close this red thing and just squeeze. If it lets me. It is kind of hard, so I'm going to use the pliers. I recommend using the pliers because this shit's hard. And then I'm just going to squeeze it. Hopefully it works. I think it did. It looks close to me. So, you lay both of them on the bed and close this, and it splices them with that metal piece inside to connect it. Anyways, so now that the red wire isn't in the hole, I'm going to see if this is working. So if I turn on the signals, it should still be working. And if it doesn't, the wires didn't connect. And I have to try to squeeze it more, or who knows, we'll figure it out. I turn the signal on. Heck yeah, it looks like it's working. So it looks like it's working. We've got our connections together here. I am going to cut this just because it's too much. I usually leave a little bit just in case later on we have to put more together. So I just cut that off, throwing it on the floor. Cool, so it looks like this. I did see a lot of people tape this stuff together just in case it gets wet in here or anything. But I don't have any, so I'll buy some tomorrow. I'm going to connect this back to the turning signal hole. If I can. There we go. So look, it's right there. So it's the silver one. There's this black one, but it looks like it's the gray one. So if you're looking to which plug it is, it's the gray one. See how it's blinking normally now? Cool. Alright, let me put the lights on. And there's the white one. I don't know, I like it. It looks good. So, that's done. Just remember there's this tab here. So just push it when you put the screws back in. So if you want to use both hands, just push the rubber thing. Tighten it with your hand since I only have one hand right now. It does look like there's a gap or something, so if you guys want to put tape just to cover it from water or whatever, that would be a good idea. So tighten this one. I think that looks tight. Put the bottom one in. Cool. Grab the old one. I am going to keep this just in case the black ones mess up. I'll just put them in the box. If anybody wants to know I'll just put the link description and for the Amazon where I got the lights. It's like 25 bucks. If anybody has any questions, just comment and then I'll respond on there. It's not hard, it's just, I've never done it before. It's just weird. Let me close this. That's it, guys. Looks good. Let me turn the wheel back. So it looks like blinking. Yeah, this is what the other side looks like. If anything, I'll take pictures at night. I did get these lights back here, so they can signal too. So once I get those, I can make a video on those too, once I figure it out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys. Bye.